Now here I would like to share that where does self-image, where do we get our self-image from? Family, friends, teachers, relatives, co-workers, everywhere with people whom we come in contact with, they are saying something or the other regarding our physicality, regarding our intellect, regarding our achievements or failures, but everybody is commenting on self-image. And this is a very vital slide wherein I want people to notice that self-image is not coming from somewhere outside. It is there within the cosmos of where we live, within the smaller worlds that we inhabit.